revising the figures in this MTBF, we can see more information of solidarity so that the poor can also be accommodated.
Let's talk about social grants, because this number looks far bigger than what it did before. We know that social grants amounts to 105 million rand, looking at numbers, plus 136 million rand. Do you think this is the right thing to do, to start spending more money on social grants? Some would say you can put this money to better use by trying improving long-term living quality of people in South Africa, through making sure that they have skills and they have education.
Of course, it's a growing concern, the fact that more and more people are being enrolled for social grants, because it's supposed to be a temporary measure for people who cannot support themselves. And of course, the safety net is not enough, because we only know that social grants provide for the most vulnerable members of the household, the disabled, the children, and the old age. So we need to make sure that the family of grants works so that children can go to school